Alright, so you guys might be wondering, after 235,000 miles, is the oil pump nut still on this car? And I will assure you guys, I had no issues with the oil pump nut. So I used a beam type torque wrench that I rented. So some people might say it's not that accurate, but whatever, I'm gonna trust it. I got it to 20 newton meters, so right around, or no, yeah, I got it to 20 newton meters, which is around 17 foot pounds, and then I kept on going to 20 foot pounds on the beam type wrench, and the nut still didn't budge. And and I'm tightening, so it's left hand thread, so I'm tightening at 20 foot pounds. Didn't budge, so I know this thing was still tight. I'm going to go ahead and tack weld it because I don't have a drilled oil pump nut, and when I bought a spare one from SCP, it's a lot harder to drill through the nut than I thought. Otherwise, if you guys haven't seen my other video, the steering rack does not need to come off from the steering shaft to get the oil pan out of the way. As you can see, once the front subframe actually gets removed, you get plenty of room to drop the oil pan. The only thing I had to do in the back was take that support that goes across the frame rails. I had to undo one side. You could remove it, but I didn't see the point to. But by removing that, it gives enough room in the back for the oil pan to come out. Otherwise, there you go. 235,000 miles. No oil pump nut issues. Didn't back off. Wasn't finger tight. It was fully tight and perfectly fine. So, there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching.